In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your Dropbox payment method. This guide is designed to help you manage your Dropbox subscription with ease, ensuring that your payment information is always up to date. So, let's dive in. First, you'll want to begin by opening your Dropbox homepage. This is your main dashboard where you manage all your files and account settings. If you haven't already logged in, you'll need to enter your credentials to access your account. Once you're on the home page, direct your gaze to the top right corner of the screen. Here, you'll find your profile icon, where all user-specific settings are located. Give that a click. This is where you can adjust your personal account details, so it's important to know how to navigate this area. After clicking on your profile, you'll see a drop-down menu. In this menu, look for the Settings option and click on it. The Settings section is like the brain of your Dropbox account, controlling everything from general account information to security settings. Inside the settings, locate and click on the Plan tab. This will take you to a section where you can see details about your current Dropbox plan. It shows what features are included, and importantly, it's where you can manage your subscription. Now, within the Plan tab, you'll find a button labeled Manage Plan. Click this, and it will direct you to another page specifically for overseeing different plan-related actions, including the option to update your payment method. On the Manage Plan page, look for your current payment method listed on the screen. Right next to it, there will be an Update button. Go ahead and click on that. This is where you can modify or replace your existing payment details. Next, you'll need to enter your new card information. Make sure that the card details you input are accurate and correspond to a card you currently use. This ensures that there are no errors when your next subscription payment is processed. Once you've entered your new payment details, double-check everything. It's vital to ensure that all information is entered correctly to avoid any subscription interruptions or billing errors. Lastly, after verifying your new information, click on the Save Changes button to finalize everything. Dropbox will update your payment method, ensuring that the new details are on file for future use. And there you have it. You've successfully updated your Dropbox payment method, keeping your payment information